In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $7,210 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on Pinterest, and I made this commission just in one single month, in the month of May, from the first day of May until the day 31 of May. I made $7,210. In today's video, guys, I will share with you which affiliate links I'm promoting on Pinterest. I will share with you new methods that I'm using to promote my affiliate links on Pinterest to earn commission, and so much more. So make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this information that I will share with you for free. And let's get started. So for people who are new to my YouTube channel, all you have to do, guys, is you just need to go to Google. Step number one, go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so all you have to do is you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, as you can see. And what you will do next, you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying a good commission, guys, and you can make a lot of money with this affiliate marketing business. Okay, so just click over here on join now. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. All you have to do, just put your first name, your last name, email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. Okay, and if you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. So you just need to answer next few questions. It's super easy, it's gonna take just few minutes. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. Okay, so this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. Okay, what you will do next is you need to create Pinterest business account. So just go to Google and search for Pinterest like this. Okay, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. They will ask you if you want business account or personal account. Make sure to choose business account. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. It's super easy. And Pinterest, why we choose Pinterest? Because Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors. You guys can get so much traffic from Pinterest if you do it correctly. If you follow those steps that I will share with you, those methods, you can make a lot of money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. Okay, 1 billion monthly visitors, that's really a big number. Millions of people using Pinterest to search for products, services, and some people use Pinterest to promote their businesses and so much more. Okay, anyway, after you finish, this will be your home page and this will be your Pinterest account. Okay, so what you will do next, you will go back to your home page on Fiverr, and now I will share with you guys one of my profitable affiliate service that I'm promoting on Pinterest to earn commission. Okay, click on the search for create autopilot Amazon affiliate website. Click on this one, search for this service. Okay, I want you to pay attention in this step. Scroll down, you will find a lot of people here who are providing this service. I want you to choose a good seller. Choose sellers who has a lot of reviews and who provide a good service. Okay, like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, and sellers who has a lot of reviews. Okay, so let's choose one of those sellers. So for example, like this one has over 1K reviews. Do you see how many people are buying this service? Okay, this service starting from $100. This seller has 5 star, that's really good. So just click on his service like this, and here you go, you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. You can see how many orders this seller has in queue. Okay, you can see how many reviews. That's really good, and this seller is providing discounts, as you can see. That's really good. So people who will click on this service, they will see this one. Enjoy 10% of your first order. That's really good. Okay, so what you will do next, let me just remove this one. So what you will do, you just need to copy this seller profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here, and you have dashboard, you have marketing tools, reports, payments, post back. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here on deep link and put this seller profile link here and click on save. Here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do is you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest. It's super easy. Click on home feed, click on create pin, and what you will do next, you need to upload a picture about this service. So go back to this seller profile page, click on his picture, double click and save this picture to your laptop. Save image, okay, like this. Click on save. Okay, go to Pinterest, click over here and upload this picture to your Pinterest account like this. Click on open. You need to put title, description. Go back to this seller profile page and you can copy his title. You are just an affiliate marketer, so you are just helping those people get more orders and you will earn commission, and that's how this business works. Okay, put this title here, scroll down, description, go back to this seller profile page, scroll down. You should see this one about this gig. This is his description. Copy this part. I will copy, for example, this one to show you guys how we can do it. Copy this description, go to Pinterest and put this description here. You need to put your affiliate link here. So go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So you guys, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate accounts. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now. So, but for you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. You can copy your affiliate link from here. It's almost the same. And go back to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here. Scroll down, click on choose a board and click over here. If you have a new account, click on create a board and you just need to give it a name and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. So for example, I will choose this one, Amazon. Scroll down, you need to put tags or keywords. Go back to this seller profile page, scroll down again. Okay, keep scrolling down. And you should see this one, related tags. Copy those keywords. Okay, so just copy those keywords and put those keywords here. Affiliate marketing, an Amazon affiliate website, and put all those keywords related to Amazon affiliate website. Okay, after you finish, click on publish, and here you go. You just published your first Fiverr affiliate link on Pinterest. Okay, and here you go. Your affiliate link will be published to Pinterest like this. Okay, this is your picture, this is your affiliate link from here, and this is your title, and this is your description. Okay, so why I choose this service related to Amazon affiliate website? Because from my experience, guys, I know that a lot of people are using Pinterest to promote their Amazon affiliate product. Okay, and those people who are using Amazon, who are using Pinterest to promote their Amazon affiliate links, those people will be interested to buy this service to create an Amazon autopilot affiliate website. Okay, this one is better. Those people will be interested to use this service and to buy this service. Okay, that's why I choose this service. Okay, and that's how we can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest, guys. It's super easy. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments. Stay consistent, promote a lot of services related to Pinterest and services who will help those people who are using Pinterest to grow their businesses, to grow their Pinterest account, or to promote their businesses. And you can make a lot of money with this method. Okay, if you stay consistent, if you do more research, if you create content about those services and you start promoting those services on Pinterest, you can make a lot of money with affiliate marketing using these methods that I share with you guys for free. You don't need to invest any money, it's for free. You just need to you will use just free traffic, no risk, super easy to start. You can start with $0 and that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next videos.